This is Simran Agrawal. I am currently pursuing MBA in Finance from MIT WPU School of Management, batch 2019-2021, and I am very much excited to be a part of this episode of Lockdown Diaries. So, talking about the college experience that I had in MIT for 1 year, it was quite fun. I miss those moments a lot. I've enjoyed in those moments a lot. I kind of miss my friends. I miss my classmates. I miss the teachers, and I miss everything about it. And now I have accepted it that I used to complain a lot about the functioning of MIT, like the number of cases, the number of assignments, the number of lectures, the timings of the lectures, the extra classes and everything. But now I have come to a conclusion that that is how MBA colleges work. And MBA में इतनी मेहनत तो करनी पड़ती है. But along with that, I miss those moments, यार. I want to go back to those days, and I want to go back to my college ASAP, ताकि जितने भी दिन बचे हैं कॉलेज के वो तो enjoy कर पाएं. One thing that I've learned from my parents in this lockdown is that we should never lose our calm. Losing calm is not helpful at all. The situations are changing, acceptable, but we cannot do anything about it. We can just, be calm and put our efforts as much as we can and wait for the result, because the situations are going to change again. It is not going to be like this forever. So we should just be calm and patient and try to work things out. Yeah. Most of my free time is spent reading. I read a lot of books. I'm a big time reader. But other than reading, I watch movies, I watch series, and even I like to explore new places. But the sad part is, in this lockdown, going out is not such an option. So I've tried to compensate that going out while apart with learning new things like cooking. I try to spend a lot of time with my family members because I don't know when I'll get the chance again. So yeah. So I did my internship from Group Expand Solutions Pune. It is a financial planning firm. The overall experience is kind of good. Though it was virtual, but the guide we got was very much creative and helpful. He made every effort to make this internship as interesting and helpful for us as possible. And actually, the internship that we had, the experience was more than what we expected before. So in the current scenario, due to COVID, I don't think job opportunities are very good. We have already seen people switching their jobs, people losing their jobs. But I personally have seen people who used to do something a lot different from what they are doing right now. Like a total difference in the job profile and all. But this is what it is now. Nothing is fixed. The economy has gone down a lot. So right now we should go for what we get. Playing favorites and waiting for the perfect job opportunity might not help. So yeah, we should go for what we get and gain experience from it. Good thing about this lockdown is that I get to spend a lot of time with my family, which was not possible in those normal days. I live in Bihar, but I have studied in places like Rajasthan and Maharashtra, which are very much far from where I live. So it was hardly possible and kind of impossible for me to travel that often to meet my family and all. I've even spent a lot of festivals where my family was not there with me. So yeah, this lockdown is kind of giving me that opportunity, to spend as much time as possible with my family and enjoy it. So talking about the plans that I have post lockdown, it's a long list. I want to go out of my home. I want to meet my friends. I want to go to movies with them. I want to party with them. I want to travel to some place, to rejuvenate myself. And right now I remember that dialogue from Ye Jawan Hai Diwani, that dal chawal wala dialogue. The difference is the context here is actual food, not what that was shown in the movie. Oh, I want to eat that spicy street ka food, yaar. It's been so long that we are stuck at home and we're eating that ghar ka dal chawal and that simple khana. So yeah, I just hope this lockdown gets over and ये सारे plan complete हो पाए. So I've kind of utilized my lockdown doing a number of certifications like Essentials of Corporate Finance from Coursera, a financial analyst guide from Udemy, a certification on Google Analytics, a certification of retirement planning. I also did a certification on MS Excel, basic to advanced. And along with this, I did a virtual internship program from Future Impact on investment management. My advice for juniors is that enjoy the days of your college. Yeah, live in those moments. Take part in as many activities as you can so that you will get a lot of exposure. And don't study a lot. Do smart work and be focused in your lectures because आधा knowledge तो उधर ही आ जाना है. And listen to your teachers. They may scold you, but that's also for your own benefit. And do as much as possible because these days are not gonna come back. I'm not telling you don't do fun. Have fun, but along with it, do study. And one more important point, attend lectures. And all the best for your college days and hope you do good. So now is the time to wrap up, and before doing so, I would like to thank the Finance and Banking Forum for allowing me to be in one of the videos that they publish under the Lockdown Diaries. And I just hope that this Corona thing gets over super soon so that we all can meet and reunite in MIT. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and yeah, bye bye.